Yes, good morning children. Today we'll read lesson number 10, Civics Struggles for Equality. So, according to the topic we will discuss. So, first one is inequality in India. Key factors are the Indian Constitution states that no person can be discriminated against their religion, caste, sex, whether they are rich or poor, all such. We have seen this earlier. All adults have equal rights to vote during elections, but still many people have been treated unequally. There are some key reasons why so many people live in India are highly unequal. Might point wise, if you see, these are all because of poverty, lack of resources, discrimination on the basis of person's religion, caste, and so on. Okay, now next topic, struggles for equality. Some people stood up against inequality and thus are respected. Some people are called upon to resolve issues because they are treated all persons with dignity. In India, there are many instances when people have come together to fight for important issues. There are many groups of people that struggle for justice in their own ways, such as BD workers, fisher folk, agricultural laborers, slum dweller, etc. Now we will see Tawa Matsya Sangh. As I have said, Tawa river originates in the Mahadev hills of Chhindwara, that is joins the Narmada river in Hosangabad. So the thousands of people are displaced because of dams, construction and forest areas being declared as sanctuaries. Bastis in which poor people live in urban areas are often uprooted. This displacement of people and communities affect their lives as their work and children's schooling is severely disrupted. Tawa Matsya Sangh, a federation of fisher workers cooperatives, fight for the rights of the displaced forest dwellers of Satpura forest in Madhya Pradesh. The Tawa river originates in the Mahadev hills of Chhindwara. Okay, it flows through Betus and joins the Narmada in Hosangabad. The Tawa dam, when built, displaced large number of people. The displaced people settled around the reservoir and earned their livelihood from farms and fishing. So, what are these struggles are of? Struggle of Tawa Matsya Sangh for the rights of the displaced. In 1994, the government gave fishing rights in the Tawa reservoir to private contractors. Okay, now these contractors threatened the villagers, drove the local people away and got cheap labor from outside. Tawa Matsya Sangh stood for their rights and organized rallies, road blockade, etc. The committee formed by the government to assess the issue recommended that fishing rights should be given to the villagers. In 1996, the Madhya Pradesh government gave the fishing rights to the displaced people. Then the Tawa Matsya Sangh set up the cooperative which would pay the fisher workers a fair price. It makes arrangements to transport and sell the fish in markets. They also began giving fish workers loan for repair and buying of new nets. So, in this way, this is being resolved. Now, the Indian Constitution as a living document, as the Indian Constitution recognizes the equality of all persons. Various movements and struggles for equality use it as a living document. Issues of equality are central to a democracy. There are various issues that pose a challenge to equality in the country, like privatization of health services, increasing control of business houses on media, low value to women, low earnings made by small farmers. So equality of all can only be realized if the people are not discriminated. This point is very important. Equality of all can only be realized if the people are not discriminated against and have adequate resources to support and nurture their families. Okay, that is all about this lesson. Yes, thank you children.